I dreamed a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and life worth living. I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiving. Then I was young and unafraid, and dreams were made and used and wasted. There was no ransom to be paid, no song unsung, no wine untasted. But the tigers come at night, with the voices of the thunder, as they tear your hope apart, as they tear your dreams to shame. He slept a summer by my side. He filled my days with endless wonder. He took my childhood